Guys, Zach Epic Gamer here with Mix.
Yeah, I'm Mix Guy.
And
make sure you subscribe. Here, and make sure you
And we're with Crystal.
Yeah, turn notifications on. Yeah, bam.
We've got Crystal here with us.
I'm gonna
as
make
well.
slime today.
Yeah, some slime.
And I'm having golden, and Jack's having blue,
And I've got turquoise.
purple, red.
Right.
And he's
So we have already put a cup of glue in the bowls.
Do this
Right.
now. And
So,
this is what it
Colin?
turns out like. And
And
that's
it's
what
like
shaving
whipped
cream.
cream. Me
It's shaving
and
cream.
me. And you're covering up the spoon. Me and Elijah.
Now, Crystal, Rosie, we all go to the same school.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
You don't really need to tell me that.
It looks like high school. Basically personal.
I'm just going to do it like
It's raining now.
Oh.
It
It's gonna start to rain soon.
No, it's
If it rains-
It's raining.
Started
We
raining.
had to move in because of the rain.
Yeah.
Very annoying.
Yeah, there was thunder earlier.
There was thunder earlier.
Yeah. Shaving cream smells really weird. I know. It's blue. It smells and looks weird then. I only have 3 jokes left.
Hey, I've got a joke. I've got 2 short jokes and one long joke. Do you want to hear them?
Yeah. Okay, go on then.
Joke, joke, joke.
2 short jokes and 1 long joke.
Oh,
I get it. I get it.
Right, you can say your joke, Elijah.
So basically, once there was like a cat, and then
Yeah, we found it.
and then like
I
a cat, like he said he's gonna move away from his family, and then his family were like, what? But what did he say?
Tell that plane to go away.
He said,
No, he didn't say that.
just kidding.
Oh.
Kitten.
How does a train eat?
What?
It
chews.
chews.
I
Right,
don't
I think
know.
Zach
Chews.
needs, Elijah needs a little bit. But right, okay, so you can add a bit of colour now.
Yay! How much? The whole thing?
No, 2 or 3.
Few drops.
I just did I can't open it.
I'm going to do this.
Just tip it in.
Tip it in. Yeah. Do
we
not
still-
use your fingers.
I think you
A little bit too late.
What am I did.
There we go.
Oh my god, you're too much!
That's right, put the lid on. Put the lid on. Jack, that's enough. Put the lid on.
Oh my god.
Oh, mine's going
Right.
orange.
That's like orange.
Mummy,
Oh.
put some on my hand.
Oh my god, it's spreading the table. Look.
Mine's got orange, not
Put
red.
the lid on.
Put the lid on.
Right, we need to put some bicarbonate of soda in as well.
It's probably going to go golden on the table. Mine's
Doesn't
got
matter.
orange.
Mine's turning turquoise.
Mine's got I've got some in my head that we haven't even listened to. Look how much I've got.
It just looks like shaving cream.
It's fine.
Mine's
That's good, Elijah. Good colour. Mind you don't get it on your clothes though.
Yeah, can
Yeah, put a
I
bit more colour in.
I'm going to put
I'm gonna put the whole thing in.
blue.
I am.
Why don't you use some of that? Because that makes it orange.
Raise them all.
Yeah, not
that's
the whole
what
thing.
thing
Raise
looks
them
like.
all.
Yeah.
Oh, my one's quite turquoise.
That'll be enough. That's good. Otherwise you'll get loads in there. Right.
I'm only
look at that.
Oh,
I just did 2.
give it a good mix round because then we're going to put
How can I
in.
do
It's
this?
really pretty.
Do you want me to stir it, Jack?
Yes, please.
I think the dust is the hardest.
Oh, that's so great.
No, it's not. I got that colour from the dust.
Hey, what are we gonna do with this slime?
We are going to make it go solid in a minute. Well, a bit more solid.
Wait, we're gonna eat the
Jack's
we're gonna eat
That's
it.
what come. Yeah, but it goes orange. Yes, he wants an orange colour.
We're outside because it started raining. So that's why it's a bit dark in here, and
I'm making dark is
And this was supposed to be red, and it turned out a creamy orange.
right, so look how liquidy that is.
do
Right,
it.
I'm going to put this in. This is contact lens solution. Right,
Oh, can I have mine? Can I
now
have
get
some?
stirring, get stirring.
Clearly the same thing as yours.
Stir it and stir it and stir
That's
it.
basically the borax.
I had to buy this from Boots yesterday, and the lady kept asking me what kind of contact lenses I had, and I mustn't get the one that I don't always use, and what contact lens solution do I already have. So I had to pretend it was for a friend.
And then we ended up getting it.
I did. I had to say I'll have to text my friend, and I'll have to find out.
You said it was for slime.
Well, because I'd gone to a posh optician.
Odd.
I've already put some of that in yours.
Oh, mine keeps getting stuck to the thingy.
This is supposed to happen.
Right, get stirring. Stir it hard, 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 hard.
Mine, Mummy.
Keep stirring it. Just keep stirring it.
I'll make I really want to eat
Right, hang on a minute.
Look, Henry, don't you see crystals? Look, this is your one.
Gonna stir it really fast.
Mine's have gone all liquidy. And it hasn't gone.
Keep stirring it. Zach's.
Next one.
So Zach has made slime.
Oh, goodbye.
Let's have a look at your bag.
Yeah.
You got a slime bag.
Yeah.
Ow.
And mix guy out. Check up came out. Hey, family.
Hey, family. Hey, T family's friend. Ow. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
And this is
And this is the remnants of the slime.
failure alert.
Yeah, that one didn't work for some reason, but the others. That one's quite good.
Yeah,
The other two are in the
Can
bag.
I take that one? This is
Um,
what I'm playing with.
Yes.